What's up, guys? Hope you guys are having a good day. Today, I'm going to just do a little bit of a market breakdown because I didn't actually make any trades today, and I'm going to explain to you why. One of the biggest reasons was because we had an FOMC meeting at 2 p.m. Eastern time today. They were deciding if they were going to either pause or raise interest rates. And I've noticed that in the past, whenever we do have our FOMC meetings, that market tends to either be direction tends to either be unclear, or we tend to have a lot of consolidation and very little movement. So very, very low volatility. So basically, we had a 15-minute high, like my 15-minute open range breakout strategy. We had a high of 566, a low of 514. Nasdaq open had a small little rally. We did break above that 15-minute, and we did, even though we did have an open, we were not making any progress. So I didn't get in. I didn't get into any trades. What I did want to see though was I wanted to see it make higher highs, and then pull back, have a shallow pullback, validate it as a new support, and then go long. That was sort of the plan. But as you can see, it just pulled right back down. It did bounce off the EMA, but then as you can see again for the second time, it just kept getting rejected, wasn't making higher highs, no continuation on the upside, pulled back down, rode the EMA. I actually got below it a little bit, so I was actually almost sort of curious, like sort of debating on going short, but obviously I wanted that break below. Uh, then the third time that we tested it, we actually did break above and we did go on a nice rally. And I was a little annoyed that I missed out on that rally, but I was more glad that I was patient, but also I was thinking more about risk. I was like, you know what? We've been getting rejected at this 570 level, not once, but twice. I was a little cautious in getting into that trade. But what I was waiting for, though, was I was waiting for a pullback, either to the EMA, bounce off the EMA, and then get into a long position and ride it, or let it pull back, bounce off this, treat it like a valid support, and then go long. But as you can see, I'm going to zoom out now just so you guys can see a little bit better. We had, I would say, from around 10:23 a.m. and this is, yeah, we didn't really start making any movement until around 2 p.m. really, 2:15. So we had a extreme amount of consolidation today in the market for Nasdaq at least, and just very little price movement. Don't want to do that. And just I didn't really see anything worth my while, worth the risk. The one mentality I am trying to the one thought that I do try to keep when I am trading before I do enter my trade is the moment I open myself up a position, no matter if it's long or short, I have to remind myself that I'm opening myself up to a position of risk. Like there's risk the moment I enter the trade. I can't just be looking at the green side all the time and be like, oh, I can make $200, $400, $500, $600, $700. That's all nice, but you got to look at the reality and the downside of it. And the downside is that you can lose a lot of money and you can, really get screwed over and blow your account if you're not smart about it. But I just want to do a little bit of a market breakdown to show you guys that, what I really saw in the market, why I didn't make any trades personally. If you guys did any trades today, let me know. Comment below. I greatly appreciate it. If you guys got any recommendations for future videos, comment below. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Like and subscribe. Hope you guys have a good day. I appreciate you guys.